Now that you know what to visualize, in a moment, I'm going to go over techniques that will help you with the how. But for now, we're going to go over the best times to visualize, which is right before you go to sleep, after you're all ready for bed and turning out the light. As you go to sleep is a time of deep relaxation, which is when your subconscious is the most malleable. In addition, it gives your mind marching orders for what to think about all night long. Test it. Try listening to a song as you go to sleep. What song do you wake up thinking about? It's also an efficient time to study for a test. Go over the material just before you turn off the light. That's using your time wisely. First thing in the morning, when you wake up, visualize for motivation and to prepare yourself for the day. When you wake up, repeat the visualization that you did right before you went to sleep. This time, use it to excite yourself and what you can do with this non-repeatable day towards your goals. When you combine night visualization with morning repetition, you are accelerating the cementation process into your subconscious. Anytime you find yourself with time that you don't have something else going on, that's also a great time to visualize. Technology can make it very tempting to indulge in mindless candy when we have this time, and we talked about that earlier. The good news is you can use technology to increase the effectiveness of your visualization depending on how technologically savvy you are. The simplest way is going to be to write out your vision and record the audio of yourself reading it out loud. Smartphones, iPods, tablets, they all have this capability. You can play this for yourself anytime and as you're going to sleep. Especially if you're tired and having trouble vividly imagining, play a recording and walk yourself through it. Even if you fall asleep while it's going, your subconscious is still listening. If you're a little more savvy, you can make a video of your vision, pictures that will remind you of your dream while you're narrating. This uses that candy method for feeding your brain. We can use photos as well. Put them on your phone, put them in your locker, put them on the wall, anywhere that you have the ability to put them and will see them often. Another trick is to move them or change them out frequently. Once we get too used to our surroundings, we cease to see them. Today's challenge is to make yourself an audio recording of your vision and put up at least 3 pictures that will remind you of your goal. This is one of the biggest and most important challenges yet. Do it. If you don't, the only person you're hurting is yourself. Now, those of you that do this, that going to this level of commitment, you are going to find an exponential leap in your progress. If you do nothing else, do the audio, listen to it. You're going to have to eventually do this. Do it now. You are the only person that needs to hear it, and it doesn't have to be perfect. See you next time.